put deliver to my room, but then he go and put the food outside at the lobby. I don't know where. I still don't have my food, and the DoorDash person is going to make a re-delivery. Say my order has arrived, so let's see. Oh my god, hallelujah. Bubble tea. Shit, man. Oh wait, this is the tofu pea and this is the mian. Let's eat.
When you're not here, the sun don't shine. When you're not near, I don't feel like I do when you're with me. Felt like suddenly our souls collided, hearts entwined. When I decided to make you mine, I'm never going back. I know that's
so this whole thing, right, is a mochi. It's not water. When you suck, it's all mochi. Can't sleep, so I'm eating my sausage. Made some hot chocolate. Hopefully this helps me sleep. I don't know. It's snowing and my feet is very cold. I can feel the air a bit. I'm gonna wear like this. I wore 3 socks. The grey one is a heat tech socks, but I'm not sure if it's enough. Oh my god.
Look at this. So I'm sweating. Look, I'm sweating.
receipt. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hello, how are you?
I showered and I'm so tired. I'm so hungry, I can't decide to sleep or to eat. Oolong milk tea with pearls, sushi and bento box. Ooh! Looks yummy. I'm gonna wear these socks now.
식목이 흑삭수.
너 기숙생 뭐야? 걔는 오로지 자기 아빠 생각뿐이네.
It is like 5:30 a.m. Yay! Yay. And I also have my sushi.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds.
Yesterday's leftover sushi.
Okay, yes sir. Okay, you are both from B1 right? We are 8 men cell. So the master for falling is such that 5% in front, 3% at the back. Seated down with shirt on.
My third time ordering DoorDash. Ooh. Okay. Wow. Wow.
상관없어. 그 애기 믿을 사람은 너.